This tutorial will show how to use the accessibility checker available within Microsoft PowerPoint. So we're first going to start off by looking at the tabs and selecting the Review tab, and then selecting Check Accessibility. So we can see how the accessibility panel opens up on the right. So the results are available here in two categories. There's errors and warnings, and you can select the arrow button next to an action for more options. If you select one of those objects, it will take you immediately to the particular object within your presentation. Down below in the panel, you can use the checkbox to keep your accessibility checker running while you do your presentation, and you can see additional steps on how to fix your errors in your presentation.